I'm Jamie Bodenlos, and I am an assistant professor in the Department of Psychology at Hobart and William Smith Colleges.
I'm Bernadette Wormuth, and I just graduated from Hobart and William Smith Colleges.
And our poster, which is the effects of food programming on sweet intake, we were interested in looking at, a lot of studies have looked at advertising and their impact on food intake, and specifically sweets. So we noticed in the literature that not much had been done in terms of looking at food shows, and they're becoming increasingly popular, including shows such as cooking shows and Cake Boss and Iron Chef. So we were interested in seeing whether watching a brief clip of a food show impacted food intake, specifically sweets.
And then for our methodology, we had a randomization of two groups of 80 participants, and one group was exposed to a Food Network show, and the other condition was exposed to the planet Earth for a 10-minute clip. And participants watched this clip and then were exposed to an eating study. So they had 10 minutes without the researcher in the room to eat either Jacks, M&Ms, and carrots. And we pre-weighed the bowls first before they ate, and then we weighed them afterwards to see how much food they consumed. And then after that, they were given some questionnaires, and we found out for our results that there were no overall differences between groups for food intake, but for the Food Network show, there was actually more sweets consumed compared to the planet Earth condition.
So in terms of future research, our clip was only 10 minutes, so we're not sure how this food shows would impact eating behavior, because typical food shows are 30 minutes to an hour long. So there's a lot of research to be done in this area, including looking at longer duration of exposure to shows, and possibly looking at people, in our participants, we asked them to fast for an hour. So it'd be interesting also to look at fasting for longer periods of time or not, to look at snacking behaviors.